Hey everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. I have a guest here who wants some attention. I'm excited I'm getting back into video filming. This is the first video filmed in a really long time, but I did just post one from many months ago. Like 6 months ago, 7 months ago maybe. Anyways, so this is going to be what I purchased at Sephora in 2022. I've done this now, I think this is my third year. I may buy one or two, maybe just let's say one order before the end of the year, but we'll see. This will be at least the majority. So let me just go into my Sephora app. I am hoping next year, as always, that I've been doing for the past few years, that I'll purchase more from Ulta than Sephora. This year I did reach Sephora VIB before Ulta, so we'll see if I'm able to do that. Let's see here. My orders. Okay, let's go all the way back. Okay, so February 11th was my first order. Yay me. Let's see here. I got a 100-point perk. Looks like Fenty Beauty. I got the Moroccan Oil Hydrating Conditioner, which I love. Used up. The IGX Rich Kid Coconut Oil Air Dry Styling Cream for $29. Moroccan Oil is $24. The IGK, I'm not sure. I look so dark. Lighting's not great. Sorry, y'all. The IGK, I feel like it's a little heavy. I got the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna semi-matte refill lipstick in Board Member for $20 and the case for $12. Very expensive. I do like that. I haven't used it a ton though. The Natasha Denona Valentine's Makeup Set Mini Eyeshadow Palette and Brush for $25. That's pretty. I also got the Moroccan Oil Shampoo for $24. Like I said, I liked that. The Lawless Mini, the Glam one, eyeshadow palette for $25. That's nice, but again, haven't used it a ton. The Melt Cosmetics Cream Blush Light in $22 in Golden Hour. I'll have to pull this one back out. I didn't realize it had shimmer. Haven't heard too many other people talk about that. Now she's playing with things she's not supposed to. I got the Dry Bar Liquid Glass Instant Glossing Rinse for $34. I really like this. I'm not sure which one I like the most besides the Amico one, or from the Amico one. But I got the Way Detox Deluxe Shampoo, Detangling and Frizz Fighting Leave-In. Looked like a little set of 3. So that was with tax $228.44. Some good stuff in there. Next was April 9th. Look at that. I got the Olaplex No. 9 Bond Protecting Nourishing Hair Serum that had just come out for $28. I do like that stuff. The RMS Beauty Lip to Cheek Cream Blush in Beloved for $36. Very expensive. This must have been the VIB sale. The Tower 28 Shine On Lip Jelly Non-Sticky Gloss in Pistachio for $15. I don't know what the hype's all about on those. The Shiseido Facial Cotton, just one, for $12. One package. The Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Blush in Provence for $28. I do like that. The Tower 28 Beauty SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray for $28. That I repurchased. The Huda Beauty Rose Quartz Eyeshadow Palette for $67, which I hate to say, I think this might be the first time I'm using it today, but I like it. I got the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Balm in Green Dragon for $16. Repurchase, I like that. I did get the Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever Liquid Foundation 03, which is here for $20. It is too light for me, so I'm wearing, I think, 11.5 today, and I like it. And then some samples with my $52 discount. The total was $210.38. Not the most for a VIB. Next, in May 20th, I got the Hourglass Mini Ambient Lighting Bronzer and Bronze Light for $28. I do like that. I really got into bronzers this summer. I got the Beauty Insider Kiss Plastic Wine Cup, which was free. I had done an in-store purchase, which I guess doesn't show on here, and they had all sold out of that, so I wanted to get that. I got the Bobbi Brown Mini Vitamin Rich Face Base Priming Moisturizer for $20. I love this stuff. I'm wearing it today. I got the Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder for $36 in the color 1. I don't love this. I think it's really meant for oily skin. I don't know why I got it, to be honest with you. It's just all the hype. I got the Kosas Airbrow Tinted Clean Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in Soft Brown for $22. That's nice, but not the best. You can find better ones at the drugstore. I got the Crown Fair Hair Oil, which was free, a few samples, for $112.63. Wow, look at this. Next was in July 11th. So I got the Sephora Collection Lip Stories Lip Balm. It was on sale in Date Prep. I I don't think I've worn that yet. Yikes. The Sephora Collection Lip Sleeping Mask in Vanilla for $5. That's nice. The Give by Gwen Stefani Original Me Clean High Performance Matte Lipstick. That's a mouthful. And Lovable Me for $26. The Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara for $16 in black. That one's fine. I think you can find better ones at the drugstore. The Give by Gwen Stefani Most Def Clean Instant Definition Sculpting Eyebrow Pencil in 1. I forgot I had bought this. I misplaced it. And I just repurchased again. Anyway, I have to go return that now, but I do really like this. The Kaja Eye Bento Bouncy Eyeshadow Trio in Peach Madeline for $26. I've not worn that yet. The First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream with Peptides and Niacinamide for $42. I do like that stuff, but it's not my favorite moisturizer, but it has been one I repurchased. Got this Yate London Dewy Blush and Papaya for $22. That's fine. I don't know. I think I wore it once. The Tower 28 SOS Intensive Redness Relief Serum for $34. I just recently been using that. Though I don't think redness really is my problem right now. It's more dryness. The Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm and Hibiscus for $21. I do like these. I like this kind of a type of formula. I got the Say Slip Tint Dewy Tinted Moisturizer SPF 35 sunscreen in the color 1 for $35. I gotta bring this back out. I don't know my thoughts on that. Got the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream in a trial size. I haven't used that, but I'm excited to use it. Got a Drunk Elephant 100 Point Perk. And then the Cicapair Tiger Color Correcting Cream. 100 Point Perk. I do really, really love this stuff, and I will repurchase. I'll purchase a full size when I'm out of this. That was for $273.40 with tax. Next, ooh, not so good, on July 22nd. What did I buy? I got the Danessa Myricks Beauty Mini Lightwork Volume 3, the Experience Eye and Face Palette, because I missed out on Volume 2. I haven't tried this yet, though, for $85. I got the $30 the Makeup by Maro Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer in Light. Haven't used this yet, but I'm curious about it. Got the Urban Decay Vice Lip Balm Glossy Liquid Lipsticks in Textum for $25. I do like that. Some samples for $148.75. Next, wow, look at this. All the way till November 1st. It's just because Sephora makeup is more expensive. That's why I reach it quicker. But I got the Laneige Sleep Dream Trio, which actually didn't come to me and they needed to send it again. This is also a VIP sale. The Dior Lip Glow in pink for $38. I'm honestly not as impressed with this. I like my Sigma ones better for like half the price. The Dior Backstage Rosy Glow Blush for $39 in pink that everyone's been talking about. Again, don't know what all the hype is about. I got 2 of the Shiseido Facial Cottons for $24 total. I got the Inky List Salicylic Acid Exfoliating Scalp Treatment for $14.99. Excited to use that, but haven't yet. With my $29.16 discount, it was $125.79. Again, not the worst for Sephora VIP sale. Then again, on November 14th, I think they were having... Oh, this was just, they resent me the Laneige. I don't know what happened to it. Only thing that didn't come in my order, which I don't know if has ever happened. November 28th, I got the Milk Makeup Sunshine Skin Tint SPF 30 Foundation in Fair for $30. This was a repurchase, but the newer formula. Hopefully the packaging doesn't crap out on me like it did last time. I got the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Mini Lil Icon Semi-Matte Lipstick Duo for $18. Again, like I said, I like that formula. That was $51. And then on December 2nd, I think they were having another sale. The Sephora Collection Lip Blush Blotted Matte Lipstick in Bubble Party for $7. Haven't used that yet, I don't believe. Maybe I did, it was fine. I got the Fenty Skin Plush Puddin' Intensive Recovery Lip Mask with pomegranate steroids and something else for $22. I actually really like this and I like the packaging. It is a little clunky. I got the Give brow pencil again, got to return that. I got my Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever Liquid Foundation for $20 and 11.5 that I'm wearing today. I got the Nest New York birthday gift set, which I do really love. I got the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream travel size for $16. That's my travel moisturizer that I bring. It's an all-purpose. I got the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pout Skull Hydrating Lip Stain for $24 in Mai Tai. I was really excited about this, and it's okay. Just okay. I got the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Kisser Licious Lip Balm and Pinch Me, which is the pink. I'm wearing the nude today for $20. I do really like those. With my 29 and 30-cent discount, it came to $110.18. Again, not that bad for a 20% off. I've been known to spend more. And then on December 19th, this is my most recent purchase. I haven't actually received this yet, but I'm wanting to do a little tone on my hair because I'm not due back until January, end of January. Got the Moroccan Oil Mini Color Depositing Mask in Copper, which I'm going to mix with the one in Rose Gold, both the minis for $8, so we'll see how that comes out. It's wash out, so I'm not that worried. Got the Clinique Must Haves makeup set, which was on sale for $24.50. I'm excited about that. Like I said, I like those Malora Mercier Tinted Moisturizer blushes, so I got the Cheek to Cheek Blush Duo for $35. I also, it's that time of year with dry skin, like I said, I got the Skin Fix Eczema Plus Hand Repair Cream for $20. I had a sample size, so I'm excited to have this now. I got the Honey Halo Skin Hydrating Moisturizer, I believe from Pharmacy, for a 100-point perk. And all in all, that was $101.47. So they typically do a, I believe it's a 20% or 10% on sale on items that are on sale after Christmas. So, but before the new year ends, they typically do that one. So I do want to, I'll probably poke around and see if there's anything I like. I also may get a Sephora gift card for my birthday, which I'd probably use right away. I have some things already in my cart, but I also have some purchases at Ulta that I want to do. So we'll see what ends up happening. But that is all that I purchased. So let's see. Most of these products I have used and liked, some used more than others. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 orders. I'm going to say it was 9 online just because they needed to resend me that one. And I'd say I probably did, honestly, just probably 1 in-store purchase. So that's 10 total. So I love that. I don't like that I can't see my in-store purchases on here. I probably got a lot, and it was with my friend, which was her first time being indoctrinated at Sephora. But anyway, hope you all are well. I'm going to go spend some time with the little cat over there. And yes, happy holidays. I hope everyone is doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.